Today we're featuring a 2015 Buick Verano. It's got 34,000 miles on it. It's Mocha bronze metallic in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. Start here on the driver's side. All right, it is equipped with rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. Okay, the only thing we noticed here on the outside of this vehicle is a small little ding right here in the door. Other than that, everything on the outside of this vehicle is in good shape. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, we got the Mocha and tan two-tone door panels. Nice wood grain trim here. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. It does have the tan leather seating with the cloth insert. Driver's seat's in good shape. It does come with a keyless entry key fob with remote start. Take a look at the passenger seat here. It's in good shape as well. It is an automatic. Got your climate control area there. It is dual climate control. CD player, AM, FM. You're going to have your backup camera display screen there. It does have a leather wrapped steering wheel with steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. And your cruise control over here. Let's go ahead and take a look at your mileage. Okay, we have 34,944 miles on it. Go ahead and get you over here to the home page. All right, there's all your apps there. You can kind of scroll through them. All right. Go ahead and engage the backup camera. All right, AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Back seat leather looks good. Okay, same thing back here. It's got the cloth insert. All right, but the leather's in good shape. Does have the nice convenient console that pulls down. Got your cup holders there. I'll go ahead and give you the driver's eye view, the dash, and the layout. All right, let's take a look at your trunk space. Let's see, let me go ahead and pop the trunk. Carpet back here looks good. Step to the side so you can see the depth, but plenty of space back here in this Verano. Let's take a look at your wheels and tires. Got 17-inch alloys. Plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a 2015 Buick Verano, 34,000 miles on it. It's in good condition, inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.